Problem 3. The 64 whole numbers from 1 through 64 are written 1 per square. On a checkerboard, an 8 by 8 array of 64 squares. The first 8 numbers are written in order across the first row, the next 8 across the second row, and so on. After all 64 numbers are written, the sum of the numbers in the four corners will be what? The choices are 130, 131, 132, 133, and 134. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Find each corner number. Add the four corners. So the corner sum is 130, choice A.